Meet the MD Top. The timber cutting and drilling machine. Revolutionizing playground making. It's a 4-axis computer numerical control machine. Designed and built by timber cutting technology specialists in Italy. Especially for creative play. Thank you.
Grazie.
And because we work with 4 meters long timbers, they had to build the biggest MD Top yet, the XXL. It comprises of 2 separate working fields, operating in tandem, across 22 times 10 feet, and 4.5 tons of machine. The MD Top is programmed by TPAEDI32 software, and components include 1 horizontal electro spindle, 1 aggregate head for sawing and drilling, 1 drill head with 5 exits for drilling deep holes on the top, sides, and ends, 1 head vertical electro spindle working in AC axis, and 1 additional vertical electro spindle. Precision cutting reduces production time by 1/3, and drastically reduces off-cut waste. Increased accuracy equals quicker assembly.